Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, channel dear viewers. In front of me Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus device, and now I can show you how to announce caller ID on this device. To do it, open the phone applications and click on the three dots button on the right top corner of your screen, then click Settings. Scroll down again, find here Caller ID Announcement, choose Announce Caller ID and choose Desired option. So I will use only when using a headset because I don't want to read aloud who calls me to everyone here who calls me. I just want to hear when I am in the headset and my smartphone is in my backpack or something on somewhere else. So in this way only I will hear who calls me. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.